brand Prostar is making progress leaps and bounds into the world of fixed double column machine, making India self-reliant in this sphere as our Prime Minister insists on the concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And that's the reason I'm here to introduce you to our fixed double column machine of Prostar SHF2542. So now is the time. Why Prostar's fixed double column machine is so important and why is there a huge hype? How about we get inside and check? Come on. Ooh, whoa, come in. So now let's talk about machine specification. And as you see, this huge table here, the size is 4000 by 2100 mm. The travel for x-axis is 4200 mm. Travel for y-axis is 2500 plus 700 mm. And as you can see, that travel for z-axis is 1200 mm. And now I would like to tell you about the casting of this table, which is of FG350 grade. Now you might be wondering why FG350 grade? Exactly, because the hardness and it will give you the premium quality. It holds the entire load of the job work done here. Obviously, we are going to use the hardest thing here. Let me tell you a fun fact about this darling ramp. So, if there's an operator's fault or a human error due to which, the ramp has to bump or by mistakenly it has bumped into the table or the job work, there won't be any impact caused to the ramp. There won't be any issue to it. Strong, right? You ask why, let me tell you. It is because of the casting of SG600 grading. That's right, solves you all the problems, right? Oh la la, do you see the spindle? It comes from the Setco Meg company with the RPM of 6000 and taper of BT50. Another fun fact, we are using head and hand absolute scales for feedback in all of these three axes of our machine. I'm very sure you might be wondering what about the operator safety. We are taking care of that as well. Do you see this grating? This is specifically mentioned and made only for the operator's safety. As the operator needs to check the job work, then how will they check? With the help of grating. Isn't it wonderful? Damn, this machine just does not stop surprising me. Another specification over here I'm about to tell you is the machine is also providing you with these racks here, where you can, keep your inserts, collets, your tools, and heading towards. This machine is also keeping this rack for specified tools. Only and only for the operator's convenience. Do you see that? We are also thinking about the operator. Such huge machine and you need maintenance and cleanliness for that. How are you going to do it? So much of drama, right? Not anymore. We are also providing this ladder for the maintenance and daily cleanliness. So what are you waiting for? Hop on and get the job done. So as I mentioned, where will you keep all of these things? Your lubrication unit, your oil chiller, the accumulator, the hydraulic power pack. Saving your space, baby. This is space utilization as well. We are thinking about you as well. This machine also is a space utilization. So see, this machine also generates a lot of chips. Now tell me, how are you going to get those chips cleaned or disposed? Not your operator, right? That's the very reason that we specifically are giving 2 screw conveyors and a chip conveyor over here located in this machine so that all the chips will be automatically disposed by this machine itself. Such man, right? Alright, so now you might be having questions like, where will you use this machine at? This is a machine which can be used for many kinds of work like die and molding, fabrication, automobiles, or else defense, aerospace, aviation, railways. My God, I will not stop, and so will this machine not stop improving its brilliant work and the brilliant use as well. So I just gave you a lot of specification in detail of this beautiful beast. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and connect with us only and only Shubline Automation Private Limited.